Hi, my name's Gordon Beaming, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted team project in Azure DevOps. We'll start on the account home page. In the bottom left hand corner, click on Organization Settings. Under General, click on Projects, and then View Recently Deleted Projects. To restore a project, you can click on the Restore button to the right of the project, or you can select multiple projects and then click Restore Projects in the top right hand corner. But for now, we're just going to restore the one project. Then if you go back to the account home page, you'll notice the project shows again, and we're able to access that project. Thank you for watching this video on how to recover a deleted team project in Azure DevOps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, catch me on Twitter, or visit my profile page, beaming.dev, to see where else I am on the internet. Cheers.